Hello, welcome back to my channel. Do you want to learn Chinese fast and easy? If you do, continue watch. Okay, in these lessons, I will use a strategy that combines with listening, speaking, reading, and writing Chinese characters. And I use sentences and 成语 to teach you guys. 成语 is a 4 word combined together. Usually, it explains a situation or tell you a story or even a history. We use 4 words instead of a lot of words. If possible, I will use picture to help you to understand easily. Let's have fun now. I usually go over with homework from last video at the first. Okay, this is the 24, so 24句话. Okay, 24句话. Sentence we called 话. And we start our 成语. For a 背 is back. Okay. 金井 is a well. 乐一离 is live. 西安乡 is hometown. Its literal explanation looks like this. But what does it really tells us that is leave one's native place. Okay, in this case, the well, okay, this word is really means it's a water of source that represents hometown. Okay, I made a sentence from this 成语. Okay, make sentence we call 造句. Okay, 因为 is because. 治安争 is war. Okay, I know in Chinese we don't have this, but I'm added, so that makes sense. Because of the war. 日恩人 人们 is people. 博物部博物部不得不 means must. 背井离乡 in this case you can tell they are forced to leave their hometown. So that's what this 成语 about. Okay, let's start our sentence. Okay, 绩优就不阿把就把 is then put 乐一礼物礼物 is gift. 乐优留 is live. 自哀在 is in. 特安坛安前 is altar, 前 is front. 西安先 is first. 西域去 is go. 特翁同 is end. 得一弟西翁兄弟兄 is brother. 和好 is reconcile. 日安然和后 is then. 乐哀来 is come. 西安县乐一礼物献礼物 is offering. 就把礼物留在坛前，先去同弟兄和好，然后来献礼物。Guys, new lessons, and we have 第25句话 OK, 25句话 OK, sentence we call 的话 and we have a new 成语 OK, 是凹少一安言科乌阿寡一乌语 OK, 少言寡语 I will give still 2 clues to you. OK, the first one 少 is little, small amount. Okay, another clue is 语 is a language. Okay guys, I'm going to lead you write this 成语少言寡语少 is a small amount. 言寡语 Okay, let's learn our sentence. Okay, 那一你特翁同的凹告那一你的的你的的为对是欧手对手和哀还自哀在了无路是昂上在路上绩优就一乌语他阿他和和凹好和好 科翁孔，破阿帕孔帕，特阿他破阿把，那伊你斯翁送，个 A 给，送给是恩神破安判，个乌安官审判官，鸡凹交，佛乌父交付，一阿牙，一义衙役，那伊你鸡优旧，破 A 背，个乌安官，鸡应境官境，鸡安监，一乌狱监狱。你同告你的对手还在路上，就与他和好，恐怕他把你送给审判官，交付衙役，你就被关进监狱。Okay, let's practice our Chinese. Okay, 你同告你的对手还在路上，就与他和好恐怕他把你送给审判官审判官 Sorry, should be like this and like this. 交付衙役役你就被关进监狱Okay, homework. Homework is always good for you, okay? It will help you to get this language, okay? Homework 有靠的家庭作业 okay? Download a translator. Translate each single word. Only if I'm on the line, you can check them together as phrases, so you can learn even faster, okay? Write 2 times and read 30 times. Watch an episode of Chinese TV series every day. Okay, I have 2. Okay, first one is called 还珠格格. Second one is called 神雕侠侣. Both are very entertainment, and both are maintain a lot of 成语. Actually, some of those 成语 I got from them, because when you watch, you will remember, because we speak a lot of 成语 all the time. Okay, so 成语 really is a treasure to you. Okay, if you are serious, I am very serious, and I do my part and you do your part. Let's make a beautiful result. All right. I hope you guys have fun with your homework. Give me thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe so you don't miss my new videos. Okay. I will see you next Friday.